Hey guys, wanna know how to add friends in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and on the top left right here, you can see your friends. So this is your friends right here. So just simply click on it. Now, once you're there, on the bottom right, you can see something known as Add Friends. Just simply press on it. And here you can see various random people and players around here, so you can just simply type in an advanced search while you can search your friends, nickname, user ID and more. And once you found it, just simply select this plus icon right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.